Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make fried rice cake. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 2 cups of cooked rice, ideally day-old for that perfect texture. We'll also use 1 large egg and 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour to help bind everything together. For flavor, have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of fragrant sesame oil ready. You can also add some chopped green onions or a touch of ginger for extra zest. Now that you have your ingredients, it's time to mix and shape. In a large bowl, combine your 2 cups of cooked rice with the 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix everything thoroughly with your hands until the mixture is well combined and slightly sticky. Then, take small portions and gently shape them into round, flat patties, about 3 inches in diameter and ½ inch thick. With your rice cakes shaped, it's time to get them crispy. Heat 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil in a large non-stick skillet over medium heat. Once the oil is shimmering, carefully place a few rice cakes into the pan, making sure not to overcrowd it. Cook each side for about 3 to 4 minutes, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and develop a satisfyingly crispy crust. Remember to adjust the heat if necessary to prevent burning. Your delicious fried rice cakes are now ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while they are warm and wonderfully crispy. You can savor them plain, or for an extra burst of flavor, prepare a simple dipping sauce by mixing 1 tablespoon of soy sauce with 1 teaspoon of sugar. A sprinkle of fresh chopped green onions or toasted sesame seeds makes a lovely garnish. These versatile cakes are perfect as a quick snack or a delightful side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.